We wanted to share this video that Targa produced because it gives a rare look at what goes on behind the scenes to build one. At its core, Targa is a very conservative boat builder in the best possible way. They rely on construction methods that are proven, refined, and trusted. Nothing is done just because it's new, it's done because it works and stands up to the test of time. What makes Targa unique is the blending of modern precision tools and techniques married with long-standing boat-building craftsmanship. The hulls are built using advanced infusion techniques that deliver consistency, strength, and efficiency, methods that are modern but well-established. At the same time, much of the interior finish is still crafted by hand. Targa maintains an in-house carpentry department where skilled craftsmen finish every interior with a level of detail that's increasingly rare in boats of this size. This hands-on approach is a key reason Targa boats feel so solid, intentional, and thoughtfully built. Another key part of the Targa story is how much of the build process is kept in-house. By doing so, Targa maintains tight control over quality and timeliness while preserving the flexibility to accommodate meaningful personalization without compromising the integrity of the design. At East Coast Yacht Sales, this philosophy matters. It allows us to work closely with Targa throughout the entire build process to ensure each Targa boat is thoughtfully configured to align with our customers' goals for how they plan to use their boats. At the same time, it enables us to specify components that are readily serviceable and well supported here in the United States, while still preserving everything that makes a Targa a Targa. As you watch the remaining part of the video, you'll get a first-hand look at skilled craftsmen applying their expertise, working with confidence and precision in a space that's clean, organized, and clearly built around getting the details right. When you're ready to explore how our Targa can be personalized for you, we at East Coast Yacht Sales will be here to support you on your journey.